Hey everybody, welcome. It's Mark's Adventures in Vegas. Look what we have today. Chuck roast. Got it 14, and look at that. How flavorful that's gonna be. So, let's get this dusted and in the crock pot for later. Look at this. Wow. All right. So, oops. First, a little bit of spray, butter spray. Got it. Now let's put this one. Just gonna dust this side first, and then we're gonna cook it that side. We're gonna roast it this side up. Okay. And because we're gonna make a gravy, we're gonna put 4 bouillon cubes in there. These guys. So first thing we're gonna go, Lawry's garlic salt. Lawry's always. I don't want to be shy with it because it's gonna cook down into it. And this one I got, it was it's like on a clearance, so it's Famous Dave's steak and burger, but it's I used it on chicken last week and it's good. It's good. So let's give it a shot. Okay. Put some bouillon cubes in here. Now this is going to give it serious beef flavor. So these just go in around the edges. And then we'll flip it and dust the other side. Oh, by the way, please like and subscribe, and I can do some live stuff. There's a restaurant I want to show you guys, a little hole in the wall, but it's a really good hole in the wall. So once we get there, and now, okay, we're gonna flip it first. Hold on. Now we're gonna dust it to that side. Another round. Steak and burger. Now we're gonna kind of prime it. I mean, it's gonna get juicy, super juicy, but we're gonna go ahead and put in some beef broth. Just enough to come right about, not over it. Just to it, right to it. Exactly. So not over the top of it, just below it. Okay, I have a potato. Washed potato. Cut it how you want it. Some people go that way. Let's just go this way. That way it's like a, it's easier to cut up, put sour cream, chives, cheese, whatever you want after. So we're gonna cook it side up, but we're gonna season both sides because we want that good crust on it. So we're gonna dust this now. Dust the potato. Okay. Down. One more. Whoa, that comes out quick. Okay. Now, usually I cook this on, I go low. But today, I'm gonna do high, and we're gonna go out to the pool. I'll take you guys out to the pool here about an hour. And we're gonna do it high and then come back probably three and a half and see. But I usually go low and slow, but let's just try to cook it and see what happens. It'll be interesting to see how it turns out with the broth, kind of the broth bath on it. All right, there it is. Perfecto. Okay, gonna head out in a bit. So we'll go have fun, come back, and that should be really good. Again, please like, subscribe, and got a lot more coming up. Oh, hold on. Hold on. We're gonna grill this tomorrow. Look at this. Angus, it's a New York, it's a strip steak. So it was kind of like same day. And this one, once I show it to you, look at the flavor around the outside and going through the middle. This is gonna be good with grilled shrimp tomorrow. So we're gonna go downstairs and fire up the Pit Boss and get this one going. I gotta thaw it out. Good thing I remember. Okay, all right, let's see how this turns out. We'll be back with you guys.